PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 10th day of July, getting set for a summertime weekend here across the Deep South. Let's see what we've got today with the Skycam network. First off, looking from Birmingham, mostly cloudy there. And that's keeping temperatures down a little bit today. Looks like, again, we're going to see a few spots not reaching 90. From Demopolis, looking right down the Tom Bigby in Marengo County. And again, that's where Marengo, Greene, and Sumter counties all come together. The trees there on the right, those are in Sumter. And the water goes down here. The Gulf of Mexico is seen from the Skycam on top of the Phoenix All Suites on the lovely Alabama Gulf Coast. And sky down there partly sunny. Nasty heat bubble over Texas and Oklahoma. And boy, it's hot out there, as you'll see in just a moment. But around here, we're kind of on the periphery of that. And that heat bubble will try to nose in here. But again, the worst of it's going to stay well to the west of here. We can be thankful for that. Ouch. I do believe that is a 115 in northwest Oklahoma. I see 111. That's out there around Gage and Guymon and Buffalo. Oklahoma City is at 100. These temperatures, by the way, are at 2 o'clock. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's correct. 2 o'clock, 1900 Z. And around here, by golly, that looks almost cool compared to the weather out there. Look at Gadsden and Anniston, only 82 at 2 o'clock. Birmingham, 86. Muscle Shoals and Tuscaloosa, the only cities at 90. So temperatures are below average for this time of the year. And whenever we say isolated afternoon showers, that's what we mean. That's the radar at 242. And you can count the number of showers on one hand. The best one is just north of Selma around Plantersville in North Dallas County. And the radar will probably look like that tomorrow. So that's why we mentioned a slight chance of a shower, but most places will stay dry. Convective outlooks, rest of today, slight risk of severe weather from near Wichita north to the UP of Michigan. Day 2, severe weather possible, again, north of us from Kansas City and St. Louis up to Buffalo. As far south as Nashville, and then day 3, a slight risk just north of here. And we do expect to see a surface boundary that might bring us an increase in storms as early as Sunday evening, but looks like there'll be a better chance Monday. And the QPF numbers are coming up. That's good to see. Rain amounts of maybe 1 inch now, and this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week at 7 o'clock. So most of this will be early next week, maybe late Sunday into Monday and Tuesday, and we'll sure take that. Tropical weather. Things still look pretty quiet. That's the view of the Gulf and the Caribbean. Nothing happening there. Over on the Pacific side, down there in the lower right, that's Tropical Depression number 4E. Looks like some banding and good outflow going on there. Of course, you can see that in relationship to Hawaii. It's a long way away, but that is a pretty low-latitude system. And by golly, we wonder if that might be a problem for our friends out there down the line. Of course, that's like, a needle in a haystack. It probably won't happen, but there's a look at the track from the Hurricane Center, keeping it south of 15 north through the middle of next week. And the Hurricane Center ramps this thing up into a hurricane with the warmer water down there by Monday night of next week. So we'll keep an eye on that. Modeling, this is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Big old 594 heat circle. Again, centered over Texas and Oklahoma. Weather won't change much tomorrow. Partly sunny, the high around 90. Any showers very isolated. Same thing Sunday, but again, we'll have to watch for any potential issues coming down from the north Sunday evening. And there's Monday. And you can see how the westerlies are dipping down to the south with the trough over the east. Pretty good-looking vortex over southeast Kentucky. And a nice band of showers and thunderstorms showing up a little north of here Monday. And again, we wonder if that might be dropping down in here by, say, Monday afternoon or Monday evening. Tuesday, that front gets in here and kind of dissipates, but hopefully on those 2 days we'll pick up some decent showers. Wednesday, the heat ridge tries to rebuild, but as you can see, the core is still west of here. And Thursday, it's being pushed back again. And a week from today, the westerlies are dropping south. The core of the heat way back over the southwest. And a week from today, that looks like we might see a decent round of showers and storms. So the good news, no serious, long-lasting heat waves showing up here for the rest of this month. In fact, let's look at the 26th. And that's your typical 588 ridge across the Deep South. And again, that looks pretty standard with a weak boundary to the north. So nothing really out of the ordinary stands out on these maps for the next 15 to 16 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here, my next video by Monday morning at 7, Brian Peters will have the video updates both tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.